Hang on. Yeah. Yeah, well, you want me to teleport myself over there? Hang on.
Hey everybody, Wolf here. This is a 360 degree video. I want to make sure that you're aware that you can move the camera around. Left, right, you can up, down, you can zoom in a little bit too. It's a 360 degree video, so zoom it around and take a look at all the good stuff.
Is it big? What? A flounder? Trying not to run aground here. Get the net. Where is it at?
Into my pool.
You gotta get it out of there.
I'm trying.
You gotta bring them around.
Oh,
Bring them back this way.
trying.
Oh no!
Oh.
You can probably just pull them in your boat. You get them in the net. You need them in the net.
I have to.
You get them in the net. You're gonna have to come closer.
My kids. Paddle.
Ah, Jesus.
Oh. The only way for me to go backwards is to paddle.
All right, hang on. I'm getting there.
I don't want to lose him.
Yeah.
Keeper.
Yeah. Bring it around. Bring it behind you. Behind you. There we go. That's why you need a net. What's the catch
I don't know.
size on a? Would you look it up while I get my thing out here? Big one.
Oh, I think it's big enough.
You gotta watch your line. You have to bring it on this side. Did you looking it up? Okay.
Trying.
I'll put them back in the water just in case.
What?
I mean, in the net.
Okay. Flounder, right?
Flounder.
Flounder. Minimum 14 inches.
All right, let's see here. Looks like he's about, oops, camera. He is 17 and a half inches.
Oh,
All right.
yes.
What went wrong there? Well, I should have paddled a little closer, right? I don't know what I was thinking. And if you look here, I'm kind of reaching with one hand. The flounder was hooked on the side, so that's why it was like skittering around like that. But I should have got closer. But I think the more important thing to remember is that we need to get Darla a net. Well, that was kayaking on Saturday. Darla got her flounder. I got zip. I had a couple bites, but I missed them. Next day, on Sunday, we went surf fishing. So let's take a look at that. Here we are on the beach. Now, I will forewarn you, we did not get any fish surf fishing on Sunday. But we had a really good time. It was a perfect day. We got out fairly early. The weather was great.
Wow,
Not too hot, not too cold, hardly any wind. We got a really good location. We've been pretty lucky in this one spot. We always go right here. But today, nothing. But I just wanted to, I guess two things to leave you with as this video comes to a close. One is that the people in the area I am, Palm Coast area, they're great along the beach, anywhere you go. As you can see here, this lady stopped by and was just talking a little bit about the dog. Her and Darla were talking about our dogs, their dogs, that kind of thing.
There we go.
So that's one thing, and also it's not like white sands like you might be used to on the west side or Hawaii or whatever. It's kind of granular sands, but it's still a very beautiful beach. So I'll just leave you with this shot I took as we were packing up, and just kind of take a look around and kind of enjoy the sounds of the ocean. And I appreciate you watching this far, and I will catch you all later.
Oh yeah? Butterflies?
That's cool that they style on the cliff.
Yeah, well, it's a nice scenic route. Hmm?